So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, what I want you to do is to first and foremost add an image to your design. So if I wanted to add an image, for example, how about this image right here of someone holding some cherries? Perfect. If you want to add some stuff to the image, you can crop it just like this. You can add a filter to it if you want to add a filter. Let's add a nice little filter right here. If we can, we'll add the latte filter. Let's also crop this into maybe like a circle, whatever the case may be. We'll just scroll down to where there's frames, add a circle right here, crop this into the circle, and this is my masterpiece. We'll also just go ahead here and add a border style, just like that. That's my masterpiece. Now, if you want to duplicate it, the simplest way to do it is to press on the photo. If you're on a Mac, press on Command and press on D, just like that, and you actually copy and duplicate the entire thing. Another way you can actually do it as well is to press on the photo right here. Go to these three little dots, or also just go to where it's duplicate right here, press duplicate. Now the photo is duplicated in the exact same way. So very straightforward, very simple. That's how to duplicate an image here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.